Girls from all over the world set out to achieve perfection in their lives. Some want to act perfectly, while others want to have the perfect look. Although there is no way to achieve absolute perfection, there are steps you can take to getting as close to your perfect self as possible. On your journey to your best self, never forget that everyone is a unique individual, and everyone deserves to love themselves inside and out. Build a classy wardrobe. A key way of always looking feminine and chic is by wearing classic pieces that can help you create the perfect outfit and that are a really good fit for your body type. Here are a few essential wardrobe pieces for you to consider adding to your closet. Have several pairs of jeans in a variety of styles to flawlessly bring you through the week. Be sure to have a great fitting pair of straight leg and flared jeans to mix up your style. Invest in basic t-shirts, cozy sweaters, simple cardigans, and several blouses that you can wear for any occasion. These are simple pieces that can be mixed and matched to create many different outfits. Be careful with most fashion trends. It may be better to resist the urge to buy something that is in style for the moment because you probably won't be wearing that piece come next year. Keep your jewelry simple. A good rule to remember is to remove one piece of jewelry before you leave the house. This will keep you from looking tacky and distracting from the rest of your outfit. Stick with diamond stud earrings, simple silver or gold chains with pendants, and delicate tennis bracelets. Statement jewelry is a great way to dress up a basic outfit. Just be sure that if you do wear a larger necklace, big earrings, or bold bracelet, that it is the only piece of jewelry you wear. Invest in the perfect black dress. All girls know that wearing a little black dress is as close to flawless as a girl can get. However, not just any black dress will do, you have to find one that is special. Keep these tips in mind as you are picking out your perfect black dress. Look for a dress that hits you around the knee, and one that has unique embellishments. The longer cut will allow you to wear it to any occasion for years to come, and the embellishments will set it apart. Detailing around the sleeve or waist are typically fabulous looks for everyone. Wear great shoes. Every girl trying to achieve perfection should have classic shoes for every season. When looking for shoes, try to find simple styles and colors that you can wear with any outfit. Here is some footwear you should consider for your closet. Find several pairs of ballet flats that are comfy to wear. You should have a black and nude pair, along with a couple of pairs in fun colors. For the fall and winter, have a black and brown pair of boots. Practice good hygiene. This will give you a fresh and clean base to work with so you can look and feel your best. Your hygiene is one of the first things that other people will notice about you, so it is important to maintain a clean lifestyle. Try working these steps into your daily routine. Wash your body every day. Although it is not necessary to wash your hair every day, you should either take a bath or shower every day to keep good hygiene. If you shower in the morning and then find yourself getting dirty or sweaty later on in the day, take another shower. This will keep your skin clear and your body smelling good. Use deodorant every morning. Regardless of what the day ahead has in store, always use deodorant. This will help you smell your best. Brush your teeth every morning and every night before bed for 2 minutes. Oral hygiene will not only help you look your best, but it is also extremely important for your overall health. Along with brushing, be sure to floss and use mouthwash, and consider bringing your floss with you during the day to use after each meal. Treat your skin carefully. Clear, glowing skin is a great way to look amazing. Skin is very delicate, and it needs to be properly maintained, treated, and cleaned in order to stay healthy. Follow these tips to help your skin look its best. Be extra careful with the delicate skin area around your eyes by never rubbing your eyes with your hands. Use a quality facial moisturizer to keep your skin supple. Immediately after you wash your face or shower, you should apply a facial moisturizer to lock in moisture. Use a lighter moisturizer for mornings, and apply a heavier moisturizer before bed. Wash your face with warm water and face wash first, opens pores, lets vitamins in face wash sink in, and wash it with cold water after, closes the pores, so no bacteria can enter. Wear sunscreen to protect your skin from drying out and becoming sunburned. Many face moisturizers have sunscreen in them so you can hydrate and protect your skin with one product. Wash your face every morning and before bed to keep skin clear. After washing your face, pat it dry with a towel, and avoid tugging on your skin. You can use cleansers with salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide for skin that is experiencing breakouts. If you still cannot achieve clear skin, consider seeing a dermatologist for professional help. Do not squeeze or pick acne, pimple, or blackheads. This can scar your face and lead to more clogged pores. Keep your hair in good health. Your hair should display healthiness and good care every day. After you take a bath or shower, never brush your hair wet, as it will cause damage. Instead, use a wide-toothed comb and dry your hair either naturally or with cool air. Keep your hair clean. Depending on your hair type, you may only need to wash your hair once every 3 days. Keep an eye on your hair, and once it starts to look greasy, treat it with shampoo and conditioner. Use shampoo and conditioner that are tailored towards your hair type. For example, hair products are sold for thick, thin, curly, straight, and frizzy hair types to help give them the nourishment each type needs. Trim your hair every 6 to 8 weeks to keep split ends away. Care for your nails. It is important not to overlook your fingernails or toenails as they can represent your overall hygiene. Keep your nails trimmed or filed neatly. If you paint your nails, be sure that the paint fully covers your nails. When the paint starts to chip, touch them up with more polish, or remove the polish. Eat a healthy diet. Eating foods that are good for you will keep you feeling and looking your best. Incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your diet is good for your whole body, inside and out. Eating nutrient-rich foods will also help your skin stay clear and glowing. A typical female should be eating 2 servings of fruit and 3 servings of vegetables every day. You need about 3 to 5 servings of whole grains each day. It is recommended to get about 48 grams of protein each day. Do not smoke. Smoking cigarettes has an endless list of negative consequences, including many health problems. Cigarette smoke causes your skin to dry out, wrinkle, and age faster. When trying to live perfectly, smoking should never be part of your lifestyle habits. Practice respect for everyone in your life. You should always show a great attitude towards your family, teachers, friends, and everyone you meet. Even if you disagree with someone's views or behaviors, you can show respect by refraining from judgment or ill treatment. Accepting different viewpoints shows your maturity. You should present yourself to everyone in a dignified and elegant way that will help you receive the respect from others that you give to them. Here are some methods you can practice. Always say please and thank you. Never talk negatively about someone to others. Treat others how you want to be treated. Create self-esteem. It is important to remember that nobody is perfect, and there will be times that you make mistakes, have regret, and find yourself in an oops moment. Making mistakes is part of being human. Instead of being overly critical of yourself, or bashing yourself to others, reflect on your mistakes, learn from them, and move on. Being critical of yourself should not be a part of your daily routine. If you say bad things about yourself to others, then you open the door for others to say bad things as well. Develop strong values to live by. Values are the guidelines that keep you grounded and prevent you from making poor decisions. They also feed into your reputation and are one way that other people develop an opinion about your character. They take a lifetime to build, but they can be damaged in a brief moment of poor decision making. Listen to your parents, grandparents, or any person who is older and wiser than you when they offer up advice and insight on life. They can teach you how to avoid bad situations and make the best choices for your life. Each time you are presented with peer pressure, or find yourself in a difficult decision-making moment, remember your values. Do not allow yourself to be tempted with bad decisions that you will be sure to regret later. Be mature. When trying to get as close to perfect as possible, a major component is acting responsibly and being able to handle any situation that comes your way. This does not mean that you can't let go and have fun, but you should also not make a fool out of yourself. Here are some tips to help you practice maturity. Do not complain or whine if something does not go your way. Remember that life is not always fair, and you have to roll with the punches. Know what your responsibilities are at home, at school, and to your friends and family. Mature people recognize their responsibilities and do their best to live up to them. This means helping out at home, being kind to your friends, and trying your best at school. Appreciate your education. Having intelligence is a part of being well-rounded. Focus in class, practice good study habits, set up a schedule for homework, and try to take a genuine interest in all of the knowledge you are lucky enough to learn. Give your best self to school every day even when the going gets tough. Although you can't achieve absolute perfection, you can certainly try with an iron will and a smile. Remember to be grateful to have the opportunity to learn. It may be difficult to learn that one subject, or be draining constantly studying, but knowledge is power, and it will take you far in life. Display confidence. A girl that is as close to perfect as someone can get is a girl that holds great confidence. Other people will see your high self-esteem and think that you must have your life all together. Here are some great tips to help you act confidently. Hold your shoulders back and your head held high. Your body language says a lot about you, and having strong body language communicates that you are capable and in charge. Smile and laugh as much as you can. Smiling is a great way to show you are comfortable in your own skin and glad to be alive, and laughing will spread joy to all those around you. People will be envious of your sense of humor. Be optimistic by always looking at the bright side of all situations. Practice humility. Even if you are as close to perfect as a person can be, bragging is not attractive. It is okay to feel proud of your accomplishments, but try not to flaunt your successes in everyone's face. This can come across as rude, tacky, and disrespectful. Feel free to accept praise, and do not hide the things you work hard for, but do so with gratitude and appreciation. For example, if you score the most points during a basketball game, it is okay to feel good about it, and accept compliments from other people. However, do not go around telling everyone about that you won the game for the team. This would be an example of bragging. Give sincere compliments to others instead of competing with them. When you notice someone's success or hard work, let that person know with a sincere compliment. This will display your good character, and it will show that you're not intimidated by the success of others.